In this review, trying to remove baked-on food, stubborn grease, and burnt barbecue sauce can make even the most avid griller want to hang up their tongs for good. The good news? We've rounded up our favorite grill cleaning solutions to make post-baby back rib cleanup a hell of a lot easier. When you use one, you can speed up the cleaning process and move on to more important things like dessert. For the easiest cleanup, here are our favorite grill cleaners. Paired with these hard-working grill brushes, you're golden. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Kitchen Ever present top 6 best grill cleaners. Let's get started. Number 1. Dawn Powerwash Spray Starter Kit, Platinum Dish Soap. This newest launch from Dawn is not just for dishes. Like it eliminates messy soaking of cookware and casseroles, it makes cleaning indoor grills and grill pans a breeze. For grill pans and appliances with removable hand-washable grill plates, simply spray on this new Dawn in a sink, let it set a few minutes, wipe clean and rinse. For non-removable plates, spray them carefully in place and wipe and rinse clean with a cloth. In our testing, Dawn Powerwash Spray dissolved hamburger grease burned onto a skillet with ease. That's why it earned our Good Housekeeping seal. Though it doesn't claim to clean outdoor grills, we tried it in our testing, and it worked like a charm. And once you have the sprayer, all you need is a refill. Number 2. EasyOff Barbecue Grill Cleaner. Whether your grates are stainless steel or porcelain, in our tests, EasyOff Barbecue Grill Cleaner performed well on both dissolving burned-on grease. The spray foam clings to all sides of the grates to better penetrate messes. Just make sure you let the formula sit for the full recommended 40 minutes before wiping or scrubbing and protect any surrounding floor surfaces with newspaper before spraying. Number 3. Wagner Spraytech OnDemand Steam Cleaner. Just when you thought that steam cleaners weren't a good idea for cleaning grill grates, think again. Wagner is a top quality name when it comes to steaming, and your grill deserves that kind of power. It works by using distilled water, and the rest is high-powered steam cleaning. Using the handheld attachment, you'll be able to steam clean your barbecue grates without much effort being used. The caked-on residue that seams would never come off is no match for this Wagner steamer model. The plus side is you can use this steamer for all sorts of cleaning on your grill aside from the grates. The upper lids or the inside parts that are hard to reach won't be a hassle anymore to clean. This portable steam cleaner makes cleaning your grill a lot more fun. Number 4. Elaziy Grill Griddle Cleaning Brick Block, Ecological Grill Cleaning Brick. This cool 4-pack by Kelfoya includes 2 grill bricks and 2 pumice stones. It's a cool idea that makes cleaning the surface of your grates nice and easy. These are decent to use when you're cleaning up your cooking surfaces. This way you can scrub off both sides of the grill safely. It naturally wears down the caked-on grease and oil, and then can be wiped with a clean towel or sponge. This is a great starter kit for cleaning, but not the only solution. It's good for times when your grill is super messy and needs quick cleaning in a hurry. 2 kinds of coarseness wear away the greasy buildup. Use a little cooking oil on the grates before you start to scrub away. It doesn't take too much effort to have clean grills in minutes. Number 5. Zep Heavy Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner. The Zep Heavy Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner is made for professionals who need to get the toughest of stains off their grills and kitchen appliances. It cuts through grease with ease. All those stubborn messes will come right off when using this powerful cleaner. The thick foaming formula clings tightly onto surfaces while it penetrates deep into tough grime. Use Zep on stainless steel, porcelain, or ceramic surfaces without worry. It's safe for use on ovens, grills, pots, pans, stovetops, you name it. Number 6. Kona Safe Clean Barbecue Grill Cleaner Spray. The Kona Grill Cleaner is a powerful degreaser that leaves your barbecue sparkling clean. It sticks to the tough stains and cuts tough grease, reducing scrubbing time and effort. It works on the exterior or interior of the grill to completely remove tough grease stains from grates, stainless steel surfaces, wheels and more. The fast-working formula does an excellent job on all types of grills. Be sure to use Kona Safe/Clean before you start cooking up those juicy steaks. Check out the Kona Grill Cleaner from Amazon here.